Hello everyone, and welcome back to the garden. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of garlic in the garden. Garlic is a powerhouse of benefits for your plants, but like any good recipe, there's a right way and a wrong way to use it. Garlic can ward off a whole host of unwanted visitors in your garden, from pesky insects to troublesome fungi. So if you're ready to ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace a more natural approach to gardening, grab your gardening gloves, and let's get started. We're about to embark on a journey to discover the 10 must-know garlic tips for a happy, healthy, and productive garden. Now, I know how tempting it is to reach for those chemical pesticides when you see a few bugs nibbling on your precious plants. But before you do, let me tell you, there's a gentler, more natural way to protect your garden. Garlic. Thanks to a compound called allicin, garlic is a natural insecticide. Allicin is what makes garlic a formidable foe against aphids, mites, whiteflies, and even cabbage loopers. You wouldn't want to douse your dinner in harsh chemicals, so why treat your plants any differently? Garlic offers a natural, effective alternative that's safe for you, your family, and beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. Simply blend a few cloves of garlic with water, let it steep overnight, strain it, and voila! You have a potent, all-natural bug repellent ready to use. Start with a diluted solution and test it on a small area of your garden before spraying your entire plot. Fungal diseases can wreak havoc in your garden if left unchecked. But don't despair. Garlic, our trusty friend, comes to the rescue once again. Allicin disrupts the growth of fungi, preventing them from spreading and causing further damage to your plants. Whether it's powdery mildew on your squash, blight on your tomatoes, or rust on your beans, garlic can help keep these fungal foes at bay. Simply create a garlic spray, similar to the pesticide spray, and apply it to the affected areas of your plants. For a more potent treatment, you can even add a tablespoon of horticultural oil to your garlic spray. Just remember to test the mixture on a small area first to ensure it doesn't harm your plants. We all know that healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, but did you know that garlic can actually help improve your soil health? Think of garlic as a probiotic for your soil. These microorganisms help break down organic matter, making nutrients more available to your plants. One of the easiest ways to incorporate garlic into your soil is by planting it directly in your garden beds. Garlic is a natural soil cleanser, helping to suppress harmful nematodes and other soil-borne pests. Another method is to create a garlic tea by soaking crushed garlic cloves in water for a few days. This will create a nutrient-rich solution that you can use to water your plants. Now let's talk about companion planting, one of my favorite gardening techniques. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and pest-repelling properties, makes an excellent companion for a variety of plants. For instance, planting garlic near roses can help deter aphids and Japanese beetles, two common rose pests. Tomatoes, another garden favorite, also benefit from garlic's protective presence. Garlic helps repel tomato hornworms, whiteflies, and even spider mites. Plus, some gardeners believe that planting garlic near tomatoes enhances their flavor. Other plants that enjoy garlic's company include carrots, lettuce, cabbage, and broccoli. Garlic helps deter carrot root flies, cabbage worms, and other pests that commonly target these crops. Avoid planting garlic near beans, peas, or parsley, as it can inhibit their growth. Starting seeds indoors is a wonderful way to get a head start on the gardening season. But sometimes, those tiny seedlings need a little extra boost to reach their full potential. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that act as natural growth stimulants for plants. To give your seedlings a garlic-powered boost, try making a weak garlic tea by soaking a few crushed garlic cloves in water overnight. Strain the tea and use it to water your seedlings once they have developed their first true leaves. Another method is to plant a clove of garlic directly in the soil next to your seedlings. Just remember, moderation is key. Now let's talk about feeding your plants. Garlic, with its abundance of sulfur, potassium, and phosphorus, makes an excellent base for a homemade fertilizer tea. These nutrients are essential for plant growth and development, promoting strong roots, vibrant blooms, and bountiful harvests. To make your own garlic fertilizer tea, simply combine a few cloves of crushed garlic with a gallon of water in a large container. Cover the container and let the mixture steep for at least 24 hours, allowing the garlic's beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. After steeping, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve to remove any solid pieces of garlic. Dilute the concentrated tea at a ratio of 1 to 10 with water before applying it to your plants. As with any good thing in life, moderation is key when it comes to using garlic in your garden. While garlic offers a plethora of benefits for plants, too much of a good thing can actually have adverse effects. Overusing garlic treatments can lead to leaf burn, stunted growth, or even plant death. To avoid overdoing it with garlic, always dilute your garlic sprays and teas to the recommended concentrations. Start with a weaker solution and gradually increase the strength as needed, always observing your plants for any signs of stress. Early morning or late evening, when temperatures are cooler, is the ideal time to treat your plants. Just like you wouldn't try a new skincare product on your entire face without testing it first, you should always test new garlic treatments on your plants before going all in. Every plant is different, and what works wonders for one plant might spell disaster for another. Factors such as plant species, age, health, and even the environment can influence how a plant reacts to a particular treatment. To conduct a patch test, simply choose a small, inconspicuous area of the plant and apply the garlic treatment to that area only. Observe the treated area closely for the next 24 to 48 hours, looking for any signs of adverse reactions. If the treated area shows no signs of stress, it's generally safe to apply the treatment to the entire plant. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to gardening. Applying garlic treatments at the right time can maximize their effectiveness and minimize the risk of harming your plants. For instance, if you're using garlic as a preventative measure against pests or diseases, it's best to apply treatments in the early morning when plants are still damp from dew. This allows the garlic spray or tea to adhere to the leaves more effectively and provides longer-lasting protection. On the other hand, if you're dealing with an active infestation or infection, it's best to apply garlic treatments in the evening, after the sun has set. Young seedlings are more sensitive than mature plants and may require more diluted solutions or less frequent applications. By timing your garlic treatments appropriately, you can create an environment where your plants can thrive. Freshness is key when it comes to garlic treatments. While it might be tempting to mix up a large batch of garlic spray or tea and store it for later use, the effectiveness of these solutions diminishes over time. As garlic solutions sit, the potent compounds that make them so beneficial for plants begin to break down, reducing their potency. Stored garlic solutions can also become a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi, which can be harmful to your plants. To ensure maximum effectiveness and minimize the risk of contamination, it's always best to use freshly made garlic solutions. If you do need to store a garlic solution, keep it in a sealed container in the refrigerator for no more than 2 to 3 days. Well, there you have it. 10 must-know garlic tips to transform your garden from ordinary to extraordinary. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gardening inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening. May your gardens be bountiful, your harvest plentiful, and your plants always pest-free, thanks to the power of garlic.